Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn words that begin with W. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So let's get started. W is for watermelon.
W is for watermelon.
W is for watch.
W is for watch.
W is for white.
W is for white.
W is for wolf.
W is for wolf.
W is for woodpecker.
W is for woodpecker.
W is for well.
W is for well.
W is for whale.
W is for whale.
W is for walrus.
W is for walrus.
W is for whistle.
W is for whistle.
W is for wave.
W is for wave.
W is for wheel.
W is for wheel.
Wow, that's really amazing. We have learned so many new W words. There are so many other W words as well. Whale, watermelon, window, worm, watch, white. Which was your favorite?
My favorite was whistle.
Okay, amazing. Thanks for learning with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.